A very good morning to all my students there. So, hope you all are doing great. Today, we are going to start another discussion that is on prepositions. So, what is a preposition? First of all, can anybody tell me what is a preposition, or if you can give any examples on it? Very good. So, what is it? It is a word or a phrase that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show us about the place, about time, about any directions, okay, or position. For example, if I say the pizza is inside the box, so I am telling about the place, or am I telling you about the position of pizza where it is? So it is inside the box. So what is a preposition here? Inside. I am staying in California. Again, I am telling you about my location, my place. So that is in California. So in is a preposition here. Okay. Now, preposition are of different types. There are basically five important types of prepositions. One is the preposition of place. As the name is reflecting, it describes the position of a person or a thing in relation to another. For example, towards, behind, in front, below, under, all these are known as prepositions of place because it is telling us about the location or a position of something, whether it is a person or a thing. Okay. If I say the river flows across the valley, so it is telling about the place. How is it flowing? It is flowing across the valley. So what is a preposition of place here? Across. I stay towards the main city. Towards the main city. Again, जहाँ पे stress हो रहा है, कहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ main city के towards. So that is again towards will be a preposition of place. Second one is preposition of time. What is a preposition of time? It tells us about the time. Simple. Ganesh was calling me since night. Sita came late. So since is a preposition of time. Late is what? Again, preposition of time. Okay. Prepositional phrase. What is a prepositional phrase? That is a third one. They are the group of words that include a preposition. Okay. And they are a combination of two or more words like before class, according to, because of. So if there are two words which are used together, example, I asked him for a note before class. According to Gita, truth can never be hidden. He fell because of the poor quality of chair. So what is it? Prepositional phrase. Okay. What is a preposition of manner? Again, it shows us about how certain thing happened or is being done. Okay. Like he cried with a heavy heart. He behaves like his father. He talked with me in whispers. So how is the manner in, like, with? They are known as prepositions of manner. The last one is the prepositions of spatial relationship. Again, this is very rarely used. For example, Megha is at the restaurant. So at is again, this is called a simple preposition also. And if you want to go and define or in depth, it will tell us about Megha's location. So at, it is telling us at is the Megha's location. The dog is in the kennel. Again, in that is telling us about dog's location. So in the kennel. So it is telling us about the spatial relationship that the dog is having with the canary. So this is known as a spatial relationship. Hope the preposition is again clear. It's not very difficult. You can go by this one by one. And if you come across any doubt, please do give me a feedback session on the comments and let me know how I can more improve and give you a more depth knowledge on this. Okay. Thank you so much once again, students, for your valuable time. Enjoy learning.